In today's video, we're going to take a look at what is going on currently with the Bitcoin price, and despite a lot of the traders still think that a Bitcoin can continue its rise to $50,000, $60,000 and $70,000 with updating all-time highest level for the Bitcoin price, I will advise if it is really true. So put this video on pause and click the like button, and do not forget about subscribing the channel not to miss the next video. This is Wealth Management, and let's talk about crypto. In our previous videos, I already described why the price could start rising from the levels of $37,000. There were a few reasons to think so, like testing short-term moving average as a support and testing a really important level for the Bitcoin as a support. There were a few other reasons to think so, for example, like the trading signals of our indicator HPC, trading signal of our indicator Moon, trading signal of our indicator Pumper that we used in our trades actively, our whale tracking indicator. I already described how it worked in our previous videos. This indicator perfectly helped us to catch the peaks of the market and sell Bitcoin at the highest price of the cycle and buy Bitcoin at the bottom of the market. It is important to mention that the price is moving according to its cycles. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 3 of those cycles, and we'll check what is going on in the current cycle for the Bitcoin. When we're talking about cycles, it is so important to mention that after the phase of correction in a cycle, there is a phase of rising, like we had in the years 2013 and 2017. There was a drop for the price, and starting from the year 2015, we had the rising for the price, after we updated all-time highest level for the Bitcoin for that time. During the next cycle for the Bitcoin, we had another phase of dropping, then again was the phase of rising, and after this phase of rising, there was a phase of the correction. And after this one phase of correction, we had another price rising. Why these two cycles are so different? When we're talking about technical analysis, it is important to understand the current trend. Current trend is usually made with the local highs and local lows. When we are talking about dropping trend, when the price is dropping, all next local highs will be lower than previous highs. And at the same point, local lows will be lower with the price movement. But when we're talking about a rising trend, local highs and local lows becomes higher. For example, in this one cycle, we had higher highs and the price was rising. At the same point, between two local highs, there was a local low, and local lows were higher as well in this phase of rising. Let's take a look at all local highs and local lows that we had for these two cycles. Let's see what we had in the first cycle from the year 2013 till the year 2017. The distribution of these extremums, it was uniform. We can see that there were a lot of local highs, lower local highs, and a lot of local lows that were lower than previous ones. At the same point, when the phase of rising started and when we had the change of the trend from dropping one to the rising one, we updated only this one local high and we broke down this one local high. So with the phase of rising, with the changing of the trend from dropping to rising, we broke down only 2 local highs, and there were a few more local highs before all-time highest level for that cycle. When we are talking about this one cycle, it is important to mention that there were only a few local highs in the phase of dropping, and with the phase of rising, the price really fastly broke down both two highs, and there was only all-time highest level really closely to the high of this rising phase, and as it happened too fast, we had the phase of correction, another phase of correction. It is important to mention that during the previous cycle we did not have such a phase of correction, and it did not took that much time as we had in the cycle between the years 2017 and the year 2021. At this point, let's take a look at the current situation and let's try to compare it to previous two cycles. How do you think? Let me know in the comments. If this one cycle is more similar to the previous cycle between the year 2017 and 2021, or it is more similar to the year 2013 and 2021. In my opinion, the current phase is more similar to the situation that we had during the first cycle that we described in this video, and we can see that distribution of local extremums is more uniform here. We can see continuous phase of price correction during the year 2022, and we had continuous phase of rising during the year 2023. At this point, the correction has to take place, as when we are talking about continuous growing and updating all-time highest level, we cannot grow too fast as we had, for example, in the year 2019. It would be better for us to see the price correction and not updating levels of $52,000 right now. I would like to see the price correction where the price can be corrected. We can see unclosed imbalance at the level of $32,000, and we still can see unclosed imbalance at the level of $28,000. In case we are talking about possible phase of the price correction, it is quite possible that in case the price will be corrected, even in case we are talking about 2 or 3 months, the price can be corrected to these levels. But in case the price will grow continuously and we will break down the level of the next local highs right after all-time highest level for the Bitcoin price, it is quite possible that the Bitcoin price can be corrected much more, as for example we had in April 2020 and March 2020. I would like to see the price correction right now to make sure that the next phase of the price correction will not take that much time, as for example we had in the year 2019 and year 2020. Let me know in the comments what is your current result of trading in November 2023, and my congratulations to members of our close community, as we already made really good profits with our trading indicators. To find out more about them, check the link in the description under this video. As usually, it was Whales Management. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.